Hello everybody, and welcome to the ML channel. For everyone who ever wondered how to clone a remote GitHub repository to your local working environment, and do that with a Python command, please follow along this video. The first thing we have to do is to download the GitPython package and import this into our working environment. Suppose we're working in the Google Colab. So by running, as you see here, the !pip install GitPython, we're able to import this package into our working environment. The second thing we have to do is to import the repo part of the Git package and use the .clone from function, where the first argument will be the URL of a particular GitHub repository that is interesting to you, while the second argument of the function is the local directory, where you actually want to clone the remote GitHub repository. So in my case, I want to clone the template of an online CV website from this GitHub repository, and I want to clone this into my local folder, which is the repo folder. So essentially, if I rerun this code cell and then I refer to the left part of the screen and I refresh the page, you will see that the repo folder is now appearing here, and all the necessary folders that previously were on this URL are imported in my local working environment. If, however, you're working directly on your local PC, let's say Visual Studio Code, the steps are essentially the same. The first thing we're going to do is to download the GitPython package by rerunning the !pip install GitPython. So by running this piece of code, we will install the GitPython package. While the second step is to import the repo part of the Git package and call the .clone from method, where the first argument of the function is the URL of the remote GitHub repository, and the second argument of the function is your target local directory, where you actually want to clone the remote files of the GitHub repository. So by rerunning this piece of code, I will essentially clone the online file from the remote GitHub repository into my local directory. And those are essentially all the steps you need, guys. Thanks for joining me on this video, and I hope I will see you in the next episode on the ML channel. See ya!